Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lacey, and thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a half up half down wig install using my hair collection. This is my final look, you guys, and I love it. All you have to do at night is just wrap a scarf around the top. I also did a quick like chit chat about trying to move out and just an update on that process. So I hope you guys are interested in seeing what is going on. Other than that, don't really have much to say. Just want to go ahead and get into this video, sweetie. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the video. Hey guys, okay, my hair is actually flaky because I didn't feel like trying to wash it. I just wet it for this video, so don't judge, don't mind me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I could do this. All right. The more skin, the better. Anyway, so long story short, I started looking into some apartments and I ran into a lot of obstacles, whether it not being up to like my standards as far as the renovations, whether it comes with a washer and dryer, location, price, bedrooms, amenities, all that really was like, I just could not find the one that was worth it. And the ones that are worth it, it's like, dang, it's not worth this price, you know what I mean? So after looking and looking, I started looking into some houses, and I was like, I might as well just try to buy a house. So yeah, I started saving up money for a down deposit, and then once I got to a comfortable amount of savings, I started really getting interested in looking at a few places. So I started looking at a few townhomes and things like that, just trying to figure out the process of trying to buy a home. I know there's a lot of like programs for first time home buyers, but I'm like, what do I need to do to really like get a house? And I met up with the real estate agent as well. She's not my realtor. Her name is Elena. She does not get on social media, and I'm like, girl, why? But yeah, she's my real estate agent and also a mentor of mine because I'm trying to get my real estate license. Boo. It's a lot. It is a lot. And one thing that everybody says is do not rush the process. Like, if I wanted to, I could build my own house. I don't want to rush it. I want to be comfortable. I want to be in a good place to where it's not like I don't want to struggle, you know what I'm saying? And that's a huge commitment. So I'm gonna just need to pray on it and figure something out. Living at home is not terrible. I do have to pay rent here, but it's not as much as a mortgage would be, you feel me? Basically, I'm not trying to rush the process of me buying a home. I'd rather just be comfortable, save my money, and, you know, do what's right, follow the right steps, and just stay on track with everything. So that's really where my mindset is at as far as moving out and buying a home. I mentioned this in my last vlog, but I want to get more into beauty and makeup and things like that. I just want to change my backdrop and my scenery, to be honest. I want to come out with amazing content for you guys, and one thing that I really want is like a nice setup and beauty area and a ring light. Okay, so I'm gonna go on my beauty blender now and just blend up under this eye. Okay, so now that my brows are concealed and I have some makeup up under my eye, I'm gonna go in with this Black Radiance foundation, this liquid foundation. I'm running out of everything, you guys. But I'm not trying to walk up in the beauty supply store and spend $50, $60. Nope, not today. Not today. Just scrape on up. I'm gonna just scrape until I can't scrape. I literally felt this pimple growing on my chin when I was talking to my dad. I was like, I gotta get out of here. You're stressing me out. That's just that. By the way, I decided to just hold myself a little bit more accountable for my uploads. So I'm gonna try to pick certain days that I'm going to post a week. Really trying to post at least 2 to 3 videos a week. Don't know what days for sure yet. I know for sure I want to post on Sundays. I might do Sundays, Mondays, and Wednesdays. I don't know, but I'm gonna just try to post 2 to 3 times a week, if not maybe more. Shout out to my bestie for commenting under my last video telling me to do this tutorial for you guys. Also, I want to say thank you guys so much for 300 subscribers. All right, next goal, 500. We could do this, you guys. We could do this. We skipping 4 and going straight to 5. All right, now I'll be right back. I'm gonna get this palette from my sister, so be right back. All right, so switched up the angle, decided to get into this natural light a little bit so you guys can see. If I could just get my camera to do right by me. If I could just get my camera to just do right by me. Okay, let me take off my little slippies. I'm trying to get comfortable. Fix this light. All right, boom. All right, perfect. So, going to clean off my brush. Just, oops, my brush broke. So, now I'm gonna take this palette right here. It is a little beat up, I won't lie, but it has some good colors in here. So, what I hear is that you need a good transition color. I think I'm gonna go with this one since it's a little bit more orangey. So, oops. It's showing up a little bit. It's showing, it's coming through a little bit. I'm gonna just try to dabble in this pigment a little bit more because I really want it to stand out. Around my hair collection on the lashes, this is the style Pretty Please. It is my favorite lash style. Get into it. So yeah, I'm gonna just pop these bad boys on. I wore an eyeliner for the first time in a while. Last time I did some eyeshadow and I really liked the outcome. So what I'm going to do now is just put some concealer up under my eyes because I forgot, and bitch, I don't need to forget that. This to me brings the whole snatched look into effect. Yes, Fenty Beauty on the lips. So that is that. I really don't feel like curling my hair, you guys. I'm sorry. So what I'm going to do is just spray it and blend it in a little bit. Just gonna spray and blend it in a little bit. Shit. Alright, guys. So this is the final look of my half up, half down hair. This is the back. It has dried. It's still drying, but that is the back. Super natural, super cute, and it's really low maintenance. Every morning I just wake up, do my little baby hairs, do my makeup, and go to work. So it doesn't take much time at all. This is the final look of the hair. Hope you guys liked it. Let's play some music and get into this. Yes, I just did my hair. Yeah. What are you doing?